How to use a vegetable steamer. Steaming vegetables is a simple yet effective cooking method that helps preserve their natural flavors and textures. It is also one of the simplest ways to prepare your veggies after a long day of work. Many chefs agree that steaming fresh vegetables produces a tastier, higher quality vegetable dish than simply heating up a frozen bag. There may be more nutrition in steamed vegetables, too, as some studies suggest that microwaving and even boiling vegetables can both significantly reduce the total soluble proteins, vitamin content, and chlorophyll content in the final dish. Keep watching how to steam fresh veggies can help you create countless meals that taste great and are good for you. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to using an electric steamer, steaming vegetables in a stovetop basket, and using a microwave to steam vegetables. Now let's talk about the process. Key takeaways. 1. Steaming vegetables using a vegetable steamer retains nutrients, enhances flavors, and promotes healthy eating. It's a convenient, versatile, and easy way to enjoy delicious, nutrient-rich meals. 2. Different types of vegetable steamers, such as stovetop, electric, microwave, and bamboo, offer unique features to suit various cooking preferences. Proper preparation, usage, and maintenance ensure optimal steaming results and longevity of the steamer. Method 1. Using an electric steamer. Number 1. Take proper precautions. Before using an electric steamer, it's important that you read the instructions that came with your steamer. Taking proper safety precautions can help prevent injuries and fires/burns. Never submerge the cord, plug, or base unit in water. Only use electric steamers indoors and on a stable surface, like a kitchen counter. Only use the steamer while water is in the reservoir. Running a steamer dry may overheat the steamer, which can damage the equipment and may cause a fire. Use caution when opening the steamer. There will be hot condensation on the inside of the lid, and opening it too quickly could result in accidental scalding. Unplug the steamer when you're not using it. Let the steamer cool off before adding, removing, or cleaning any part of it, and make sure it's turned off and unplugged before attempting to do so. Number 2. Assemble the parts of the steamer. Before you can steam vegetables in your electric steamer, you'll need to assemble all the pieces. Different steamers may be slightly different, but in general, you should have the following basic components. The base unit, which should contain the water reservoir. A diffuser plate. 1 to 3 baskets, which you'll arrange your vegetables on when ready. A lid with vents and a handle. Number 3. Fill the reservoir with water. Once the rest of the steamer is assembled, you're ready to add fresh, cool water to the reservoir. Your steamer may come with specific instructions on how much water to use, and you should follow those instructions. If your steamer does not have instructions, you can simply fill the reservoir up to the maximum fill line, but never exceed that line. Once you've added water to the reservoir, make sure the diffuser tray, if your steamer included one, is properly in place. Number 4. Fill the basket S with fresh vegetables. Make sure your vegetables are uniformly cut into equal-sized pieces. Arrange them loosely in the basket so that the steam can travel between and around each piece of vegetable. Try to limit your baskets to a single layer of vegetables. When your veggies are in the baskets, cover up your steamer with the lid. Number 5. Turn on your steamer and set the timer. Once everything is ready, plug in your steamer. Then set the timer, depending on your steamer, as well as the type and quantity of vegetables you're steaming, and press the cook button or its equivalent. Follow the instructions that came with your steamer for proper cook times and preparation tips. When the timer goes off, you'll have freshly steamed vegetables that are ready to be served. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Steaming vegetables in a stovetop basket. Number 1. Fill a pot with water. The first thing you'll need to do is fill up a pot with clean water. As the water boils, the steam will rise through the stovetop basket and steam your vegetables. How much water you use will vary, depending on how many vegetables you're cooking and how soft you want them. For a smaller batch or firmer veggies, fill the pot with about a ½ inch to an inch, approximately 1.25 centimeters, of water. For a larger batch of vegetables or for softer veggies, fill the pot about halfway full. Make sure the bottom of your strainer is not touching the water. Otherwise, your veggies might simply boil in the water. Number 2. Bring the water to a boil. It's generally recommended that you wait until the water has already started boiling before you add the vegetables. However, some people recommend putting the vegetables in before the water starts to boil. This is largely a matter of preference. Adding the vegetables too soon will not ruin the meal, but it won't accomplish much, as the water will not be producing much steam yet. Once the water has come to a boil, lower the heat so that the water simmers and lightly bubbles. You don't want a full bubbling boil, or you may steam off most of your water before the veggies have cooked. Number 3. Place your vegetables in the basket and cover the pot. If you haven't already placed your vegetables in the basket before the water started to boil, you should do so once it's boiling. The timing is largely a matter of preference, and it's best to go with what you feel works well for your cooking methods. Try to limit the number of vegetables you put in the basket. A single layer is ideal, as anything on top won't receive as much steam and may not cook uniformly. Once the vegetables are in and the water is at a gentle boil, you'll need to cover up the pot with a loose-fitting lid. This is to keep the bulk of the steam inside so that your vegetables cook properly. Number 4. Check on your vegetables as they cook. The steam time for vegetables will vary considerably, depending on how thick they are and how large or small you cut them. As a general rule, though, most vegetables will be steamed in approximately 3 to 10 minutes. Most veggies will have a brighter, more vivid coloration after steaming, which lets you know that they're ready. Asparagus spears that are thin should steam in about 4 minutes. Thicker spears may take around 5 to 6 minutes. Broccoli will steam in about 5 minutes. You should be able to visually tell when broccoli is ready, as it will get darker in color. Brussels sprouts will take about 10 minutes to steam. Carrots sliced 1/4 inch, 0.6 centimeters, thick will steam in approximately 6 to 8 minutes. Cauliflower florets will steam in about 6 minutes. Green beans will be steamed in approximately 5 minutes. Kale will take 5 to 10 minutes. Peas steam rather quickly. They generally only need about 3 minutes on the stovetop. Zucchini slices should steam in about 6 or 7 minutes, depending on how thinly they're sliced. Number 5. Turn off the stove and serve your vegetables. Once the vegetables look their brightest and most vivid, they're ready to eat. Turn off the stovetop, remove the basket of freshly steamed veggies, and serve them while they're warm. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 3. Using a microwave to steam vegetables. Number 1. Arrange your vegetables in a microwave-safe bowl. If you're steaming vegetables in the microwave, you won't need a steaming basket or any special equipment. All you'll need is a microwave-safe bowl, a microwave-safe cover, and some water. However, if you have a special microwave-safe steamer, you can use this the exact same way. Steaming vegetables in the microwave is fast and easy. Be aware, though, that cooking vegetables in the microwave may alter their flavor. Cooking in the microwave can also reduce the nutritional value of your vegetables. Number 2. Add a little fresh water. Steaming, even in the microwave, will require fresh water. However, you won't need very much. Start with about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and see if you need more or less for that dish. Number 3. Cover the bowl. You'll want to make sure that whatever you cover the bowl with is also safe to use in the microwave. Some people prefer using a microwave-safe plastic wrap. You can also lay a dish flat on top of the bowl if the dish is also microwave-safe. Whatever microwave-safe cover you use, make sure one corner of the bowl is left slightly open/uncovered. This will help vent some of the steam so that your veggies do not overcook. If using a plate that is too big to partially uncover, try laying a microwave-safe object, like a wooden chopstick, across the top of the bowl. This can help raise one small portion of the covering plate so everything steams properly. Number 4. Cook your vegetables in the microwave. The cook time will vary in the microwave, depending on which vegetables you're steaming and how thick and/or large they are. Generally speaking, though, steaming by microwave is slightly faster than steaming by stovetop. Most veggies should cook in under 8 minutes. Asparagus spears will steam in about 4 to 6 minutes, depending on their thickness. Broccoli will steam in about 3 to 5 minutes. Brussels sprouts should steam in about 7 minutes. Carrots sliced approximately 1/4 inch, 0.6 centimeters, Thick will take about 5 minutes. Cauliflower will steam in about 3 to 4 minutes. Green beans take about 3 to 4 minutes to steam. Peas only take about 1 to 2 minutes to steam. Zucchini takes 6 to 8 minutes to steam. Number 5. Drain any excess water and serve the veggies warm. Once your vegetables are steamed, they're ready to serve. If there is any excess water remaining in the bottom of the bowl, carefully drain it out over the sink. You may want to remove the vegetables with a fork before draining the water so that you don't burn yourself or spill veggies into the sink. Serve the vegetables while they're still warm. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips. 1. Use only enough water to create steam, no matter which type of steamer you use. You don't want to actually submerge the veggies or they will simply boil. 2. Prepare vegetables by leaving smaller ones, like baby carrots and Brussels sprouts, whole. Cut larger vegetables, like potatoes and zucchini, into uniform pieces. 3. Only use water in the steamer if you are using an electric steamer. You can add flavorings to a pot of water if you're steaming on the stovetop or in the microwave, but adding seasonings/flavorings to an electric steamer can damage the equipment. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.